Hi, welcome back to the channel. My name is Anya and it's such a beautiful sunny day today. I feel like a summery drink, and normally my summery drinks are either a Coke float, ginger beer float, or a Pina Colada. So I thought, why don't I use a Pina Colada and make that into a snack. So for today's video I'm going to show you how to make a Pina Colada inspired bar. So it's going to be a pineapple and coconut slice. So let me know in the comment section below, what is your go-to drink, and who knows, I might turn into a dessert. I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to give this video a like, comment and subscribe. Onto the video.